Good morning. So I don't typically do product reviews. However, I happened to see this Ninja professional frozen drink maker on some social media site, Facebook, Instagram, whatever. Anyway, I was like, you know what? That'd be pretty cool if I could make a slushie at home. Well, these aren't easy to find. Sure, you can get it on eBay for $300 more than what it costs, but it is possible to get it from the, I believe it's called ninjakitchen.com. And if you sign up for alerts, it will tell you when they're going to drop the next shipment. And it took me a couple days, and I had to get on there right at the time they said it would release, and had to keep hitting refresh, add to cart. It kept kicking it out. After about 10 minutes of trying, it finally went through. So I got it for retail price of $2.99, and it's the 301, FS 301. That's the latest model for this frozen drink maker. So my hope is that, well, I'm going to show you at the end what I want to make, and it's not really a whole lot different than what most people want to make, but you'll see. So hang on. All right, going to do a bit of unboxing here. Let me grab my unboxing knife. All right, we'll see what's in the box, how it comes. I'm sure it's fresh off the ship. All right, so it's double boxed, which is nice. Take a look. We'll slide this out. See what we got going on. All right, so here's the box. As you can see, hopefully, yes. And, well, let's open it up. See what it looks like. I know nobody cares to watch me open the tape. Oh, it comes with directions. I will probably ignore those. All right, looks like we've got maybe a lid to something, power cord, headphone. Let's see, I'm gonna slide out this way. Yep, looks like it's completely surrounded by cardboard. Nope, not completely. Oh, I see. The bottom comes out with the whole unit, so you can push from the bottom. That's different and convenient. All right, take it back up here. Looks like I've got a protective box. Let me spin it around town here. Some more tape. Just fold that over. I like to keep my boxes. I don't know about you all. It's a little tough when you move every 3 years with military, but also keeps stuff from getting broke. All right, it's looking fancy. Let's pull it out of the, it's actually kind of heavy. It's, I think they said it's 27 pounds. Ship. Feels like 27 pounds by itself. All right. She's looking shiny. Pull bail handle to disassemble. Oh, fancy. So this is apparently dishwasher safe. I don't know if I'm going to do that, but I definitely like the fact that you can pull it apart to clean it. This is the cylinder. So as it gets cold, this actually is what rotates around the cylinder. So as the solution freezes to the cylinder, this comes along and scrapes it off. So it just rotates like that right here in the center. There's like an auger arm, whatever you want to call it. So that's pretty cool. So looks like you just pull it back like the classic slushy machine. So I'm gonna get it together. We'll read the directions, okay? And see what we have to do to get this thing going. And then I'll show you what I'm gonna make, which is gonna be fantastic. I've got the instructions out here. We've got a recipe book. Great. Tells you how to add stuff. Oh, it actually goes into assembly. There's, I believe, 3 different presets. No, there's actually quite a few selections. Let me bring it down here so you can see. Looks like you can select various things here. A rinse cycle, I believe that just spins the auger without turning on the refrigeration unit. And then you can adjust the temperature here depending on the type of slushy you're making. It has some warnings here. So if it has a low sugar alert, obviously you add some sugar. It has to do with the temperature. If the temperature keeps going down and it's not creating slush, then you have to add more sugar. Or if there's too much alcohol or too high of sugar, it tells you how to fix it by diluting with some water. So either add a little sugar or you add a little water. The one I want to do is this 1 ingredient soda slushy, very top of the manual here. So let's see, looks like you just pour the soda in, select slush, and it starts moving. I think what I'm going to do first is wash the inside of this vessel. I want to make sure it's good to go before I add. Well, you're going to see what I'm going to add. Hold on. All right, here's the big surprise. Well, I mean, it's not huge, but we're going to get a drink out of this 1961 or 2 Coke machine here. So all you do is select which drink you want, put the quarter in, and it comes out. Here we go. So no big surprise, it's going to be a Coke. However, we're going to go with Mexican Coke. All right. Sit you back down here. All right. I'm told the Mexican Coke is the best. You let me know. But we're going with this because it's the most authentic. Most authentic? Most authentic. But all you do is pour it in this little port here. We'll put the whole bottle in. I think there's probably plenty of sugar in here. I don't have to worry about adding sugar. But we'll see what the machine tells us. Shut the port. And let's plug it in. Okay. Let's take you around here. We're going to push the power button. Good. We're going to put it on slush. Looks like it's already got a preset temperature. So I'm going to set this up, put it on time lapse, and we'll see how it makes the slush. All right, let's see what we came up with. Comes out a little slower than expected. Definitely a slush. Now, I will admit that I did not put as much Coke in there as I probably should have. And I don't think it's done yet, actually. But hey, we're gonna give it a shot. I'm mostly interested to see if it's similar to like an icy that you can buy, I don't know, 7-Eleven and such. It's pretty thin. I mean, not thin as in, yes, liquidy, because I don't think it's completely frozen. I might have to add a little sugar, but the texture appears to be the same. All right, let's give it the old taste test. It's definitely a win. Now, the one difference between this machine and like an icy machine, icy machines, I believe, are pressurized. They have a carbonation unit in it, and the first thing this does is kick all the carbonation out. So there is that, but the texture is actually really good. Wow. All right. So all in all, I'd say I'd highly recommend the Ninja Slushi machine, and definitely with the Mexican Coke. All right, the last thing I'll share is just the cleanup of this model, and going back a little bit, it should have beeped when it was done. I didn't want to wait that long. And it looks like you need to add at least 2 servings for it to come out smoothly. And I only had 1 serving in there, so it's probably why it didn't come out very fast. But all you gotta do is lift this handle up here. This whole unit slides out. This auger comes off. And then this tray will slide out. I'm gonna leave that there for a second, just until I can get everything cleaned off of here. But yeah, that's it. Really simple cleanup. The slushy was done in about 10 to 15 minutes, just like it says it would in the instructions. So yeah, pretty fancy.